This is the EarFun Free 2. I'm Andrew and I'm your Stuttering Tech, and today we're going to find out how good a pair of $50 budget Bluetooth earbuds really are.
That has the support for where you live. And usually you actually evade it by holding on the YouTuber.
Like what you're seeing? Subscribe to the channel, click on that bell icon and enable all notifications, and a thumbs up will be appreciated. As I mentioned before, these buds are $50, at least at the time of purchase, and I'll leave a link down in the description. Now let's run down the specs real quick. Right here on the box here, from what's on the box, it supports Qualcomm AptX audio technology, balanced immersive sound with dynamic composite drivers, 60 millisecond super low latency mode for better video and gaming experience, intuitive touch controls plus volume control, Ipx7 Waterproof with sweat shield technology, 30 hours playtime, 7 hours plus 23 hours with the charging case. All right. So I've been playing around with this, not playing around, but I've been using this for a little over a month now. And let's go ahead and let's check it out. Let's see what we get for $50. Taking a look at the case, you can see right here we have the EarFun logo. We have this lip to open the case. We have a LED light right there that basically changes colors depending on battery life. So far I've not gotten it past green. On the bottom you have the little information. On the back you have the reset button and the USB-C charging charging port. Take a look at the buds. So this is how the buds look. It's marked with left, right, and they're a little on the big side, but they're really good. Now these things fit in your ear pretty good. I put them in my ear right here, and they fit pretty good. I don't know how well you can see this, you can see it on camera, but they fit pretty good, and they're pretty snug, and they're not going anywhere. Oh my God, once I shake them, they're very secure, and they have a little bit of isolation once you have both of them in your ear. There are LEDs in them. I don't know how well you can see the LEDs. Once you put them back into the case, they do have an LED light that comes on that flashes red, indicating they're charging. Let's give this the shake test to see if they're gonna fall out if you just do this. And you can see it's a pretty strong magnet. It's not going anywhere. There is a feature that this thing has that is not on the box at all. You don't see it anywhere on the box. You don't see all the Qualcomm and Immersive Sound, and you see all this stuff that's there. You don't really see anything else on the information about it, but you do see a picture right here where they're showing you this earbuds, the case sitting on a wireless charger. Now I have a wireless charger from over here that I got from work, right here. And when it's green, nothing is charging. When it turns blue, that means it's charging. And I'm gonna put this on here. And as you can see, it turns blue, which indicates that it is wirelessly charging. I'll turn this to the camera so you guys can see that. It's gonna start flashing red a little bit. It's gonna go in and out. Now let me go ahead and connect it to a phone, and let's see how it works. Pairing this to your phone is simple and easy. Just go to your Bluetooth settings, search for device, pair new device, open the case, and it should come up very soon. As you can see, EarFun Free 2, just hitting that, and allow access to your contacts and call history pair, and there you go. It's connected and ready to go. Now, as I said, it does support Qualcomm HD audio, Qualcomm AptX audio, and as you can see in my settings, it's actually here. This phone does support that as well. So I'm gonna listen to some Spotify music right now. I have it queued up right here, and I'm gonna play some music, and I'm gonna tell you how it sounds. Because honestly, like I said, I had the pleasure of using this for a little over a month, and they sound great. Are you satisfied? Oh, those tears from your eyes. Are you satisfied? I swear, these sound so good. There's bass. If you love bass, it's here. There's a bass, there's highs, I think the mids is just a little tad subdued, but it sounds really good. This is one of the best sounding earbuds in the budget space that I've ever had the pleasure of sticking these things into my ear. They sound really good. When it comes to the controls, you double tap to play or pause music. On either side. To skip forward a track, you will triple tap on the right one. Sorry, a double tap, but I'm gonna go ahead and triple tap now. And then to skip back to another track, you will triple tap on the left side. Sometimes it doesn't go as perfect as I would hope. Sometimes you triple tap and it thinks you double tap, but it does work for the most part. To increase volume, you will tap once on the right side. And to decrease the volume, you will tap once on the left side. So you will have to keep tapping one on either side whether you want to increase or decrease or decrease volume. And that's something I really don't like. I'm not really a big fan of the controls on these buds. I think it should have been a single tap to play, pause, and answer and phone calls. Double tap on the right side to skip forward the track, and double tap on the left to skip back. And also, I think it's for the increasing and decreasing volume. Tap and hold on the right side and increase the volume, and tap and hold on the left to decrease the volume. I think that's how the controls should have been. Now let's talk about the phone calls. Let's talk about phone calls. Now, talking on the phone, I can hear everyone on the other side very clear, crystal clear. The thing is, it's a mixed bag when it comes to how they hear you. Now, indoors, it's perfect as long as you don't have any TVs or any loud background noises like music playing very loud, or sometimes not even loud, just at a moderate volume. People will hear your background more than they would actually hear you. Especially like me, I have kids running around the house making a lot of noise. They hear the kids more than they actually hear me while I'm talking to them. And outside it's just even worse. They will hear all the passing cars and trucks and all the outside noises and not hear you as well. So, and I believe on the Amazon, don't quote me on that, but I believe on the Amazon, in the Amazon description, it does say CVC 8.0, which I don't think is non-existent on these buds, because it doesn't even mention it on the box. If you're gonna get this, it's just for pure music. It sounds really good. Or if you're gonna be indoors, you're in the office, it's fine. In a car, you should be fine. But as far as like I mentioned, if you're walking on the street, you're gonna have a big issue. People will not be able to hear you as well. Now, again, the best true wireless earbuds that I've tested that does isolated voice, that has CVC 8 and it works just flawlessly, is the Boltune BH023. The CVC 8 on that is just perfect. What do I think about these for $50? Now, I can hardly complain. These I think is for music listeners. If you just want a pair of earbuds for music, and like I said, I do use it for phone calls when I'm at work, and people hear me just fine. But like I said, most of the major issues when you're outside. Controls, I really don't like the controls that much, but it works for the most part. But I do, like I mentioned, the sound is the big part of this. For music just sounds great. I love how music sounds on here. And for pure just music, I recommend these. And I do love the wireless charging capabilities that these earbuds come, that for some reason they did not advertise. They just put a picture on the box of it wirelessly charging. I'm Andrew, I'm your Stuttering Tech. That's it for the video. See you guys in the next one. Please check the link down in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel and enable all notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.